Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube Chichi, where we dey talk on anything and anything. And if you dey new to my page, just click on the red subscribe button. Subscription are free, yes. Don't forget to leave your comments. Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you would like me to change, and still let me know what you would like me to talk about. Anyways, today I want to talk about one issue where the trend now. Like, if you go every social media platform, you dey see am. E full everywhere. Facebook, e dey ring like jingle bell. Now about how people dey treat their house help or people wey dey stay with them. Yes, this issue, e dey um very very touching to me. So maybe today I no go smile for my video because na very serious issue when e be say I like talk, and I like talk am from my mind, from my heart, the way when I feel. You, when e be say you dey treat pikin wey dey stay with you bad, deep down your heart you know say your own pikin wey you born, you no go fit treat am like that, and you dey treat another person pikin like that. You be witch, you be wizard. Yes, in fact, you be devil reincarnate. Now you be. How person wey dey stay with you, the person dey wash? Yes, we agree say na house girl, na slave, anyone you wan call am, but the person dey wash, e dey cook, e dey look your baby. In fact, your whole house dey the person hand, and you dey treat the person bad. Not just bad, you dey inflict physical pain on the person. They never talk of the emotional pain wey you dey inflict on that small pikin. The emotional trauma wey that pikin dey go through every night before e go sleep. E go cry, e go think, e go dey wonder how my life go be. In tears na im food, in tears na be im bedtime story. E dey cry, dey sleep every day. They never talk about that one. Still, you go still inflict physical pain on that pikin. Yes, we know say children dey very stubborn, of which you know say wetin that pikin dey do, your own biological pikin dey even dey do worst. But you don ever use iron burn your own pikin? The answer na no. No mother, no father go open im korokoro eye, carry nail injure im pikin, or use barbed wire flog im pikin, or flog im pikin to the extent say all the body, the flesh be like wetin dem use nail or knife take dig out the pikin flesh. Una no go do am. So why inflict that same pain on another woman's child? You carry your pikin 9 months for belle, the woman no carry im own 3.5 months. So na the same way wey you use to meet your husband, una make love, you get belle, you come born your own. Na like that na that pikin mama use to born am. Yes, we know say this 5 finger e no dey equal. Na make the pikin dey where e dey so. Because if all fingers were equal, that pikin no go dey your house dey do house girl. Wetin be the worst? The pikin go pot, e take your meat for pot. E no good, na very bad thing, we know. But if your own pikin go your pot, take your meat for your pot, aunty, you dey plug iron, dey use am dey burn your pikin. See, the one wey even pain me pass when I come across, na that I think 8 years old pikin wey say she dey stay with this husband and wife, and at the long run the girl carry the woman pikin, and then the pikin fall from her hand. The pikin fall from im hand, no be say the pikin die, no be say the pikin break neck, no be say the pikin break hand. Even if the pikin break neck or hand, the pikin no die. You as a woman, you use nail, you puncture hole for your fellow woman pikin head. Your husband use iron burn the pikin back again. As if that is not enough, you still carry cane, you dey flog am. Then when police go come hold una go blame am for devil head. Wetin the devil even do una? Devil dey im own, na only una dey go borrow im name dey put for una body. Na devil na send you say aunty kill another man pikin. You see this portion of the Bible wey say do to others what you want them to do to you. I like that part of the Bible well. So you, when it be say your own na princess, another person own na slave, you no get conscience. Even if they born you, they create you without heart, only that physical pain wey you dey see for that pikin, abba, suppose say yourself say you don do now. Imagine say the way I dey treat this pikin, if I can't die today, my husband can't die, where my pikin go dey tomorrow? What if my pikin come enter the same hand wey be like my hand? For my grave I go dey happy. You see people wey dey less privileged, na only you go use your 2 left leg go village I dey find who go follow me stay. After you don paint yourself like angel for where their parents dey, if he come, he go dey go school, im own na just make e dey follow my children dey stay house. Whereas you dey come give the pikin slavery when our forefathers go through. It's not fair. E no good at all. No matter your reason, you no get any reason to justify that action, that wicked actions. E dey very, very bad and very despicable. Make you see the level of we humans, our thinking. I no wan dey use harsh word for my videos, because some people they like, oh mama, you too dey use harsh word, you too dey use abusive word. Make you see the level of our thinking faculty. You go beat the pikin. Your children dey eat indomie, you go give the pikin garri soak. Then I see this same pikin wey you dey inflict pain for im body day in day out, you go come still leave your children for am. Take care of my children. If you wake up, give am golden more. If you wan sleep, give am biscuits. I dey come back. If I hear say you do my children anything, I go deal with you. Aunty, you mumu. You mumu. Because na only you by yourself, with yourself, dey endanger your children. Yes. Only you by yourself now dey endanger your own pikin life. You dey suffer am, then you still leave your pikin with am. Wetin you expect? E go deal with your pikin anyhow e want. Na 6 months old pikin I want to say, mommy, Ikaite, Nkechi, this one, that one slap me, or she eat my food. No, even if the house girl no want eat the food, you go flush your pikin food for toilet. Hungry, go buy your pikin before you go come. Make if you know say you no go fit do something, no start am. That be wetin I believe. Me personally, if I want who go stay with me, na the same eye when I take dey look my children, now I go use to look that pikin. Yes. If my children dey eat for dining table, that girl go still eat for that dining table. If my children dey drink tea for morning, na tea na that girl go still drink. If my children dey go private school, and yes, my money no cash am, I go make sure say all the textbook for the government school, the girl get am. No. You just derive joy in being wicked. I don't understand. Especially women, our problem too much. Our problem is just too much. It's too much. You no go fit do. They carry the one come wey go do. You want still kill am join. What is your problem? What will be the color of your problem? Even the color of your problem, self, I sure say na corona white. and quarantine blue. They no go even see the color of your problem. Your problem is too much. You cannot wake up early in the morning, prepare your children for school. You want house girl. The house girl come now, they do the work where you no fit do. Still, you still dey inflict pain. No be only house girl, some of us, na so we still dey to our relatives dem. My sister pikin, you dey suffer am because say you get money pass your sister. My brother, my husband brother pikin, you dey suffer am. Mind you, no be say the children they no get their own flaws, they get their own bad character. But if you know say you no go fit absolve, no carry. Because you know they put your pikin neck for ground and use hammer take cut am. No matter wetin your pikin do you, no matter how you rant, shout for your pikin, at the end of the day, you go see say na my pikin. So if you know say you no go fit accept another person own like your own, abeg aunty uncle mona no find house girl. Mona divide the housework now. Husband dey wash plate, wife dey cook. Husband dey baff children, wife dey do breakfast or lunch. Mona divide am. That way una no go see wetin another man pikin do una wey vex una, wey go let una nearly kill am. My own personal advice, wetin to me, wetin I even want make dem dey do all these people wey dey inflict pains on children or people wey dey stay with them. You know wetin I just want? I no even want that 6 months detention, 7 months detention, e dey police custody. I like say the kind pain wey you inflict on that pikin, you go through that pain for just 3 hours. As you plug iron use am take burn person pikin back, na so they go plug the iron kekeke. They go use am take stamp your face. If they comot the iron, the amount of koboko wey you take dey flog the pikin, they go carry that same cane, they go flog you blue black. By the time they handle you like that for 3 hours, you see 100% life bar wey you get, you go remain 1%, because they go torture 99 bar comot for your lifespan. That way, when they release you after that 3 hours, if you even see madman for road, you go tell the madman say your life matters. Na only your children life matter, abi? Abeg, I dey beg, just as I dey always dey talk. Na beg, na I dey beg. If you no fit, no get house girl. If you know say you dey temperamental, your temper dey hot, your blood dey boil like beans, no carry. Just dey manage yourself before you go look your children don big. No carry. Make you no go kill people pikin come start to talk say na work of devil. No be devil send you go village go find house girl. Abeg, a word is enough for the wise. Na so I dey always dey do my thing. E go better say you no carry, because if you no carry, you no go vex. And if you no vex, you no go use iron burn people pikin. Leave the children for their mama and their papa. If na garri dem dey soak, make the pikin dey there dey soak am. No go carry am say you wan give am jollof rice, and at the long run you give am 1 spoon of jollof rice, you go beat am like a prisoner or like thief. No be so they dey do something. Abeg, make we try, make we limit this level of our wickedness. E too much. Limit am, e no good. Especially all this our aunty dem, e no good. When una don manage carry una own belle finish born the pikin, una go dey see una own like Cinderella. Then una go dey see another people own like devil. E no good o. E no good. Abeg, make we try, make we stop am. E no dey even dey portray good about us at all. E no dey portray good about us. We know say they get the good, the bad, the ugly for everywhere. But seriously speaking, the rate at which they use say they insult and abuse children wey dey stay with people for Nigeria here is just so alarming. It's too much. Abeg, every life matters. Every child's life matter. No be only black life matters. This time around, na every child life matters. Every pikin na pikin. Whether you born am for abroad, you born am for Nigeria, na pikin. Whether they born that one for village, then you born your own for township, na pikin. Na 9 months e stay belle. Last maybe premature 7 months, we gree. But na belle e stay. E no stay for ear, e no stay for yansh. Na belle e stay. Your own na see belle e stay. Abeg. Our auntie and our uncles, abeg. Muna try. Dey keep una temper, una anger on check. especially with the way una dey treat people children. Is not good, abeg. Yes, na here we go pause our talk today. But if you know say you dey new to my YouTube channel, and never forget to click on the subscribe button. Subscription na free. Na only thing na you go hear. Thank you.